Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yeah, man. Good night. Good night. Yeah, man. To all my viewers and yeah, man, and subscribers and the voice of Bed Miller. Yes, people. Yes, people. Want to listen to one now? Yeah, man. Want to listen to one now? Yeah, man. Before me start, give me speech. Listen to one of people. Listen to one. Listen to one of people. Listen to one. Listen to one. Listen to people.
Wait, listen what the Prime Minister have to say. Take it away. Watch me now. The history of the PNP and power would be analogous to you ever ride your bicycle or you drive a car and you see a dog just run out of the yard and run after the car. And when the car stop, the dog just stop and look at it. The history of the PNP and power, their power-seeking behavior, is like a dog chasing a car. And when they catch the car, they don't know what to do with it. Watch me now. The history of the PNP and power would be analogous to you ever ride your bicycle or you drive a car and you see a dog just run out of the yard and run after the car. And when the car stop, the dog just stop and look at it. The history of the PNP and power, their power-seeking behavior, is like a dog chasing a car. And when they catch the car, they don't know what to do with it. So, okay, my viewers and subscribers, this is no normal person, you know. This is the Prime Minister of Jamaica referring to the citizen of Jamaica as dog. But me go show you say the Prime Minister and his wife, they are one of a kind because the wife is not better. Because you remember when the wife said, where comrade live a riverbed garbage and dump. Without any further ado, let me remind you what Juliet Holness tell we say. Take it away.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Stop it right there, so. Stop it right there, so, people. Me stop it right there, so. Yeah, man. You me stop it right there, so. Because me I tell the people, so fan, me don't know. I found day me get this a message. I found day me get this a thing here, brother. Yeah, my brethren send me it, you know. Yeah, man. On day, they may have posted it on my status. So I don't know if nobody did watch it and hear. You know, see it. So boy, is that really, when I really watch this and listen this and if you see them, I think they come out of one Prime Minister mouth. One Prime Minister. You know, see it. As style them citizens them as dog. You understand me? Well, you can expect supporters and even like a politician make a certain speech. But when a Prime Minister come on a platform and I make all them speech, you know, see it. Because man no done see no better. I'm an educated fool, you know. Because when they say a dog come out in the yard, you know, say when they say PNP, yeah man, the history of PNP seeking power. Yeah man, like my run down power. It's like a dog. Because PNP is the dog, you know. Come I call him literally I call the dog PNP, you know. Dog a run down car. When you say car, you know, it means Jamaica, you know, the country, you know. So the Prime Minister I said to the nation, say, yeah man, the history of PNP in a seat. You see, running down Jamaica. And when they get Jamaica, then stand up and look on Jamaica. And when they get Jamaica, in a seat, then can't do nothing. Nothing at all to Jamaica. Yeah, man. So him put this boy, the dog, run down car. And when the car stop, the dog can't do nothing to the car. Yeah. Come and tell the people, never in my history of listening and watching political speech, a prime minister come out and make such a statement. Never before. Because we are all Jamaican people, you know. You know, see, because all of the buckle, PMP and JLP buckle through the ears. A lot of words fling all about the place. You know, see, all of one time PJ, all of one time Siaga when style PJ and Jamaican and PMP people as black garbage bag. But never yet a political leader style another leader in a seat. Or another supporters. Other supporters them as dog. I talk a political leader, you know. The leader of the country, you know, the prime minister, you know. Yes, I am. And I tell a man, say, brother, in a seat. Because this man take over Jamaica 2016. 2016, the man coming up power, brother. And the man behave. The man and his followers them behave like Andrew Owens do everything for Jamaica. You understand me? So all the prime minister them before, like Michael Manley, PJ, in a seat, Portia in a seat. Because in a to style up, in a style up Boosa, in a style up Siaga. But some of them supporter, Boosa do not neither. Because Warmington cuss out Boosa, you know. When Boosa take up for they talk about the Usain Bolt situation, you know. Warmington cuss off, Warming girl cuss out Boosa, you know. You know, see, I know it's a prime minister, you know, say boy, I know say Andrew Owens, you know, say boy, you really a pass the place still, brother. Eh? Andrew Owens, you really a pass the place, you know, brother. I tell you living truth, you know. I say disrespect, you disrespect Jamaican people, you know. Especially PMP people, you know. Because look what PMP have done for Jamaica. Sometimes you can't but the long talking, brother. Look what PMP have done. Look what Michael Manley in the first instance have done. Come here talking about PMP. We are style PMP leaders as dog. Because they run down Jamaica. And when they get Jamaica, they don't have nothing at all to Jamaica. Look what Michael Manley have done for Jamaican. I start from Michael Manley. In a seat. Look what things that Michael Manley have put in place for the people of Jamaica. Because back in the 70s and so forth, in a seat, when Michael Manley take over 1972. 1972. Yes, Mr. Prime Minister, 1972, when he have piss up and a shit up a nappy, because in time they did ban, you know, in 72, you know, when Michael Manley take over Jamaica. When Michael Manley put things in place, yeah man, for the lower class of people, yeah man, for Yeah, man, for poor people. You understand me? And a lot of things Michael Manley have done. Yeah, man. And enough things Michael Manley put in place. So when Michael Manley, because the two political parties must seek power, both PMP and GLP are fight for the power. So when Michael Manley get the power, Michael Manley put things in place. In a sense, Michael Manley taught us to be self-reliance. Yeah, man. The National Housing Trust, Michael Manley, we talk about all the while. Yeah, man, when you build a house, you know, see it. Equal pay for woman, you know, see it. No bastard no there again. Free education up to the universal level. Yeah, man. A lot of things Michael Manley have done. Yes. During the Michael Manley government in 1972, when the NIP school founded in 1961, and NIP school start out down by Market Street in one small environment. And when the NIP school start expand, I want a bigger place. You have to move go to. And when time because when time Mr. Fallon give a lecture. And I listen to the lecture. And Mr. Fallon say, and when the government changed in 1972, in a seat, and Desmond Lake become MP. And it was full speed ahead. The People's National Party speed it up. That NIP school can move from Market Street to the present location. What they know occupy a bigger school built by Michael Manley. The same man know the Prime Minister style as one style as dog. You know, see it. And Michael Manley make NIP school get to a big environment and get a bigger property in 1975-76. And the same Michael Manley build formal Cuban site, EAG housing scheme. I talk things what Michael Manley do for Trelawny, you know. But Michael Manley do things all over Jamaica. You see Michael Manley build with the Cubans them, build Osamanti High School, Garby Masayo High School, and build GC Faster. So when when PMP get power in 1972, that's what Michael Manley put in place, GC Faster College. Yeah, man. But empower all of the sports coaches them right in Jamaica. And they say them go learn sports. In a Michael Manley time. You know, see, the same GC Faster have them track when Western Jamaica, Western Champs, you know, see, don't have a synthetic track for run pan. A GC Faster, you have to go to keep Western Champs. Built by Michael Manley. And now it's a Prime Minister comes style Michael Manley as dog. You know, see it. Michael Manley have done a lot for the country. This man have done a lot for the country, brother. Yes. So sometimes I tell some people, say, when they address a thing, you know, me can't, them like 10 minutes thing can't work for me, no, brother. You know, see it. But just speak, brother. Because I really hurt, you know, man. It hurt me if you know how the man has style PMP leaders, he must dog, you know, brother. Look what PJ Patterson have done. Eh? Look what PJ Patterson have done. Yeah, man, for Jamaica. When him get power from Michael Manley, when Michael Manley resigned and hand the power to PJ and PJ take off. Look what PJ Patterson have done for this country. Eh? Me a talk about in a Trelawney alone. Alright, me a talk about Trelawney alone. Me not talk round Jamaica, but me a talk in a Trelawney alone right now. The Trelawney multi-purpose stadium. A PJ Patterson Billy. Yeah man, yesterday when time right now in a Trelawney, they do have a decent sporting venue to keep sporting activity at the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium built by PJ Patterson. Yeah man. Yeah man, the Tover Hamilton knockout football competition. Final Sunday, yesterday. At Trelawney multi-purpose stadium keep. Yes. Because Trelawney don't have a decent, yeah man, sporting facility. Because center can't use in a seat. At this Tover donating trophy. The Tover Hamilton knockout trophy. Yes. Because I now forget the last time in a 2023 when the Trelawney Major League Final play a Falmouth Center. Falmouth Center was in a disgraceful condition. All the in a seat, all the day in the final I play. Yeah man, the play going to look about. And since from 2024, from last year, since this man, since Mr. Wickham Mackley come out here, yeah man, the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium start utilize. Decent place where the people can sit back and relax. And that go on at the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium yesterday. So when PMP get power and PJ build that, and this man style PJ as dog. PJ Patterson in a seat. Build 8 primary and infant school because Barrack School from with all age is getting so congested in such a way. They want more, yeah man, they want other school. PJ Patterson build 8 primary and infant school. PJ Patterson build Holland High School. You know see it? Yes. So me are talking about what the PMP leaders them do. In a Trelawney me are talking about, you know. Because a PJ Patterson build Spot Valley, because I see him at the same type of school him. I build Spot Valley, I build Irwin. But when the Prime Minister come talk about PMP they run down Jamaica. You know see it. PMP is like a dog running down Jamaica when they get Jamaica. They now do not at all to Jamaica. And look what PJ have done. Allen High School are one of the most outstanding high school in Northern Trelawney right now. A premier infant school. You know see, one of the best premier infant school in Trelawney right now. Built by PJ Patterson. Oh, the Prime Minister style as dog, you know. Because when PMP get power, you understand me now, do nothing at all. You know see it. Yes. Yes. So me talk, me give a brief speech about PJ. Them on the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium, Allen High School, in a seat. Egg infant and primary. Same place at Trelawney. And look what Porsche have done. I've done for the people of Trelawney the same way. Can you talk about what PMP do at Trelawney? Because Trelawney the room. PMP do everything at Jamaica. You know? At Trelawney made the talk and think about it. But the Prime Minister say our leaders them are a dog and them are run down Jamaica and get Jamaica and they do nothing. Look what Porsche have done to Falmouth. the most sophisticated police station in Western Jamaica, built by Portia Simpson Miller. That's why crime is so up on a low level in a state, in a Trelawney, especially around Falmouth, in a state. Yes. So Falmouth, they want a safe environment to live. The police station built by Portia. The same leader now what the Prime Minister style as dog. The fire station built by Portia Simpson Miller. The same leader now what the Prime Minister style as dog. Yeah man. Yeah man, the highway them are run behind NIP school. And the overhead bridge, the amount of it built by Portia. To stop the congestion of traffic in the town of Falmouth. In the town of Falmouth. That's why Falmouth don't congested with with vehicle. Come live on Duke Street, you know. You remember when Duke Street I went up and down vehicle are traveling, you know. I know Duke Street a one way, Corner Street a one way. A Portia Simpson Miller highway when built to ease the traffic in a Falmouth town so the tourism thing can move smoothly. And the same, yeah man, back to PJ too. The same ship pier, the same Falmouth ship pier, PJ Patterson idea. And when boats come in power, in a seat, boats continue it and build upon it. Because I said the two political parties them put things in place. Yeah man. So that the people them can benefit. So when this man they put it high ass now, I want to try to diss everybody. They try to diss everybody. Because when you come on come style, our leaders as dog. A style, I as dog, you know, Andrew. Yeah man, a style. Style PMP support them as dog, same way better. And you can't check all of Michael Manley political speech there. Michael Manley now up on a political platform and addressing nation and calling people them Jamaican people them dog. You never hear Michael Manley did that. You never hear something there. PJ did that. Portia same way. And Marky G now. Marky G. Nah, deal with them thing there. Marky G get him. Marky G come in power yet, you know. So I can't talk about the works of Marky G now. But I talk of the works of Portia, PJ, in a seat. And Michael. Because PG and Portia commander Michael Manley school. Same way Marky G, same way. So all the people and all the man are doing better. All the man are doing. He's trying to divide the people. I'm glad for no say big up to all the two political parties them. Who bust no gun for no politics again. People did them thing there again, brother. They're back in the 80s. I love that. Because what this Prime Minister is trying to do to the people them, want to put the people them at war with one another. Because the history of politics are the longest political campaign we ever see. The longest. Yes. And this thing will become a passa, peer cussing and go on social media. PMP across GLP, GLP across PMP. There's something go kill this girl. We just want to go kill this girl and argue. That's how the country turn to right now. Sometimes sickening. It's sickening so much. Sometimes when you go on social media, on TikTok, which MP a fish and which party have how much fish in them party and this party and this party and that. pay tracing a go on. That's all a go on in a seat on social media. So when it's Prime Minister like my babe, like my son, like a careless girl. A careless girl talk then, brother. You behave like a Andrew, you behave like your man. Like yeah, man, you behave some like a careless way. So when you come, when you stand the leaders, you must dog. Look what Michael Manley have done. You know, see it? Look what PJ and Portia have done. You paint the picture like a you do everything at Jamaica. Because me call you, they call you Dr. Andrew only. Me know what they call you doctor for. There was no Dr. Michael Manley, no Dr. PJ Patterson, in a seat. No Dr. Portia Simsimila, in a seat. No Dr. Edward George Philip Siaga, no Dr. Bruce Golin. So why is Dr. Andrew Holness? Why? You're going around dissing the people, dissing that try with this PMP. The style the people must PMP as dog now. And that you do, you know. And that you do, you know, style PMP as dog. Because dog run down car. And when car top, dog can't do nothing. We literally I say, PMP they run down Jamaica. And when PMP get Jamaica, PMP not do nothing. And look what, when you come on to education, when you come on to school, PMP is supposed to build more school, we stand corrected, than the Jamaica Labour Party. Because right now, me talk right in a fall matter so. We don't know who build Barrack School. But me 1,000,000% sure. The PMP build NIP School, PMP build A Primary and Infant, and PMP build Alani School. You know see? Yes, PMP build a Trelawny Multipurpose Stadium. PMP build the police station. PMP build fire station. PMP upgrade hospital. Yes, and tell me, and you see, and them leaders there, I know you have the audacity as style leaders, they must dog. Because they must run down power, and when they get the power, they don't do nothing, and look what PMP have done. Me talk, not in Trelawny, because yes, me do, and yes, so. Because I know folks, because Turkey River Park, in the city of Ochi, a PJ Billy. Enough thing PJ do. Whole heap of thing. And you paint a picture in a city. Like the best thing ever, like the best thing ever happened to Jamaica. They want to say the greatest Prime Minister. But one thing me and tell you brother, I was God on time. Andrew, I was God on time. You claim say I do so well. Andrew call election now, Andrew. Andrew does call election now. Call it. Since the best thing ever happened since slice brother Jamaica, just call election. Because 2020 election when due 2021 February, and you call it 5 months before September 2020 in a seat. Yes. So what you can call it now? You call it now one pandemic. You draw and you never an orange clock. You see me orange clocks and green clocks you draw and call the election. So what you can call the election now? Andrew just call election and start this passa business on social media and it's cussing and tracing. I'm tired of them things, brother. Stop this cussing and this appear because you want to control people's mind. It's cussing and tracing. Like saying you could kill this girl. You're a prime minister, brother. You're a leader of a country. If you're man enough and big and bold enough, call election, Andrew Wallace. I'm going to sign off now. Call election. Call it, Andrew, call it. Because when Peter Phillips said 2020, say we call it, you trick Peter Phillips here now and call it. And you call it. No, we are telling you to call election, Andrew Wallace. Since you're the best thing, since PNP leaders are my dog, and since we are dog, call election, man. Call election since we are dog. Call election. That if we don't want to stop this long drawn out and cussing and chasing on social media. Be glad to the man and bust no gun again for them with politics. I pay a trace in a trace. I pay a trace in a go on. Don't do the long down tracing Andrew Wallace and call election. If you're man enough, call election Andrew Wallace. Since we are dog, call election. Yes. Because you claim the PNP a dog, call election then. Since you're bad, call election. And Jamaican people, one love here. One love. All Jamaican people, globally, one love. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Michael Manley Pitney. I step out now. So Andrew only, if you think you're bad, just call election. Since you say we are dog. Since you say PNP are dog. Since you call us as dog and style we as dog. Call election. Yes.